In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out of Google accounts on an Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. Now guys, on Settings we need to scroll down until we find Accounts and the Backup. And after that, at the very top, tap at Manage Accounts. You will be taken to the page where you can easily find all the accounts you are currently signed in with on that particular device. Here at the top we can see a couple of Google accounts, and then if we want to sign out from a particular account, first off we need to tap on it, and then all we have to do is just hit at Remove Account. Keep in mind that it will not remove the account itself, it will just sign it out from the particular device. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.